Welcome to Mathstation Advanced. Today we have a fascinating geometry puzzle. We're given a triangle with a left side of 2 times the square root of 2, a right side of exactly 4, and a bottom right angle of 30 degrees. This puzzle wants us to find the area of this triangle with only what we know so far. How do you think we can calculate the area without knowing the base or the height of a triangle? To find the area of any triangle, we need 2 vital pieces of information: the length of the flat base at the bottom and the total height. Currently, we have neither of those measurements. The height is the straight vertical drop from the very top, which is also completely unknown, but we do have that beautiful 30-degree angle. In geometry, an angle like 30 degrees is a wonderful gift, as long as we know how to use it. The secret to solving complex geometric shapes is simply breaking them down into familiar pieces. Let us draw a straight line from the top point directly down to our red base, creating a perfect 90-degree angle. We'll call this line H for height. By drawing this single line, we have transformed our one mysterious, difficult triangle into 2 separate right-angled triangles. Now, we are in much more comfortable territory. Now, let us focus entirely on the new triangle on the right side. For those of us who remember our classic geometry, a right triangle with a 30-degree angle is incredibly special. In any 30, 60, 90 triangle, there is a golden rule. The side directly opposite the 30-degree angle is always exactly half the length of the hypotenuse. Our long side, the hypotenuse, is 4. Therefore, the height facing our 30-degree angle must be exactly half of that. Just like that, we have found our height. It is exactly 2. Now that we know our height is 2, we can find the bottom edge of this right-sided triangle. We can rely on the timeless Pythagorean theorem. 2 squared plus our unknown base squared must equal our hypotenuse of 4 squared. 2 squared is 4, and 4 squared is 16. If we subtract 4 from 16, we are left with 12. This means our bottom edge squared equals 12. So the exact length of this right side base is the square root of 12, which simplifies nicely to 2 times the square root of 3. We are almost there. Let us shift our attention to the small triangle on the left. We now know its vertical height is 2, and its hypotenuse is 2 times the square root of 2. We can use our Pythagorean theorem one more time to find the final missing piece of our red base. 2 squared plus our unknown bottom edge squared equals our hypotenuse squared. 2 squared is 4, and squaring the hypotenuse gives us 8. If we subtract 4 from 8, we find that our edge squared is exactly 4. The square root of 4 is 2, so the left side of our red base is simply 2. We have successfully decoded the puzzle. By adding our 2 bottom sections together, the total length of our red base is 2, plus 2 times the square root of 3. Now we finally return to our area formula. We multiply 1/2 times our total base times our height of 2. Watch how beautifully this simplifies. Multiplying by 1/2 and then multiplying by 2 perfectly cancel each other out. This leaves us with our exact final area, 2 plus 2 times the square root of 3. Now, it is your turn to practice. Imagine the exact same setup, but our right side is now 6, and our left side is 3 times the square root of 2. Can you find the final area? Take your time, test out the steps we just learned, and leave your final answer down in the comments. If you appreciate clear, step-by-step math teaching, hit subscribe and join Mathstation Advanced. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day.